Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is February 7, 2026, and we are diving straight into the biggest financial story of the week, the massive US stock market surge yesterday. After a sharp sell-off just the day before, the Dow Jones exploded upwards by over 1,200 points, or 2.47%, in what some are calling a tsunami rally. The S&P and Nasdaq also posted strong gains, with the tech-heavy index getting a significant boost. So, what happened? Why did the market rebound so violently? And is this the start of a new leg up, or just a temporary rally? In this video, we'll break down the key drivers behind Friday's move, analyze the current market environment, and give you our take on what to expect in the near term. Let's start with the reasons for the surge. Our research points to the three main catalysts. The first and most powerful driver was a major rotation back into technology stocks, specifically those tied to artificial intelligence and capital expenditure. A key player here was Nvidia. While its next earnings report isn't scheduled until February 25th, investor sentiment has been building on expectations of another blockbuster quarter. The entire AI and tech capex theme got a strong tailwind, pulling the broader market with it. The second catalyst was the cryptocurrency market, particularly Bitcoin. On Thursday, February 5th, Bitcoin experienced a brutal sell-off, plunging from over 73,000 to below 62,000, a drop of more than 14%. This crypto crash was a major contributor to the stock market's weakness that day. However, on Friday, Bitcoin staged a powerful recovery, climbing back over 70,000. This sudden reversal in risk appetite spilled over into the stock market, giving traders the confidence to buy the dip aggressively. The third factor is the broader macroeconomic backdrop for February. Market analysts have identified three data points that will dominate the narrative this month: growth, labor, and inflation. The market has just priced in a lot of fear on Thursday, but with no major negative economic data released on Friday. The stage was set for a technical bounce. This recent inflation data from January showed a modest increase to 2% year over year, which is still within Fed's comfort zone and supports the idea that interest rate may be on a path to gradual cuts later in the year. Now, let's talk about the outlook. Will this upward trend continue? The short answer is complicated. While Friday's rally was impressive, it's important to remember that it came after a significant drop. For the week, the S&P was actually flat, and Nasdaq was down 1.8%. This suggests that the underlying trend is still one of high volatility and uncertainty. Looking ahead, analysts expect 2026 to be a year filled with multiple bouts of volatility due to a range of key risks, including political influences and shifting monetary policy. The market is now in a wait-and-see mode for the next big economic report, specifically the January non-farm payrolls and the consumer price index data, which could either confirm the soft landing narrative or reignite fears of persistent inflation. Our view is that while the immediate panic has subsided, the market is not out of the woods yet. The surge on Friday looks more like a technical rebound and a short squeeze in oversold tech names rather than a start of a new sustainable bull run. The fact that the rally was led by a single theme, AI and tech capex, also makes it somewhat narrow and vulnerable. In conclusion, the market's sharp U-turn on February 6th was a classic example of how quickly sentiment could shift, It was fueled by a combination of a Bitcoin recovery, renewed optimism in AI trade, and a lack of negative news. However, the fundamental picture remains mixed. We advise caution in the near term. Expect more choppy price action as the market digests the upcoming economic data. A decisive breakout above key resistance level on strong volume would be needed to confirm a new bullish trend. This is our analysis for now. What do you think? Are we headed for new highs, or is it another pullback around the corner? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more market updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.